Welcome to the new bed tower of our hospital. One of our new patient wards is the pediatrics neonatal ward. Upon exiting the elevator, you will find the parent room on your right. Here, the parents can stay to relax and even take a shower. On your left, you will find the entrance to the ward. Upon entering, you will be welcomed by our unit clerk. Next to her is the nurses' station equipped with our friendly staff that will take care of the baby room and neonatal room. Currently, our neonatal room is for babies from 32 weeks and up. For hygiene reasons, just like our nurses, the parent will first have to wash their hands before visiting. The nurses' station on the other side takes care of all patients in the one-patient rooms or two-patient rooms. There are 10 one-patient rooms which can also be used for isolation and 4 two-patient rooms. In these rooms there is opportunity for one of the parents to stay overnight on the sofa bed or lazy chair. For our patients that are not in isolation, there is a colorful and large play area equipped with tons of toys and where plenty of activities are planned to make their stay as enjoyable as possible. Besides the patient rooms, this ward also has a separate bathroom with 2 bathtubs sized especially for children and includes various grips for safety for the nurse or parent to assist. The pediatrician and their assistant also have their own space to do their work right on the spot. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this mini tour of our new and spacious pediatrics neonatal ward. If you have any questions, please contact us.